Last week I saw a guy buying 3 Silverados from the same year. All 3. Paid $48,000 total. I asked him, "Are you crazy?" He looked me dead in the eye and said, "In 5 years, these 3 will be worth $120,000. You're gonna regret not buying one today." And you know what? He's right. I spend all day, every day, scrolling through Silverado listings, and in the last 6 months, I've noticed something scary. Certain years are vanishing. I'm not exaggerating. 1 week, there might be 5 for sale. The next month, 2. After that, gone. And while you're sitting there thinking there's always a Silverado on the market, people are buying every single good one from these specific years. When you finally decide to get one, it'll be too late. Prices will be through the roof, or the trucks simply won't exist anymore. Stick around till the end, because if you miss this window, you're going to kick yourself for decades. And hey, subscribe to the channel now, because next week I'm showing which Silverado year not to touch, even if it's cheap. That thing's a ticking time bomb. Number 5 on the list. 2007 Silverado Classic. And pay attention to that word. Classic. Most people don't know this, but in 2007, GM did something weird. They launched a new model, but kept selling the old one at the same time. Why? Because they knew the old one was a classic, and customers weren't ready to let it go. For 6 months, you could buy the Classic, basically a better 2006 or the new generation 2007. Most went for the new one. Big mistake. Today, the Classic is worth more than the new generation. Why is it disappearing? Simple. It's the last truly simple Silverado. No electronics to fail, no headaches. Just a tough, reliable truck. And here's the cruel part. Very few were made. Most got wrecked, rotted away, or ended up in junkyards. The ones that survived, collectors are snapping them up. I saw one last week. Sita Uno Crew Cab. No rust. $16,000. I thought, that's pricey. Checked again the next day. Sold. Less than 24 hours. That's how fast these trucks vanish. Number 4. 2014 Silverado. Here's where most people mess up. Everyone wants the 2015, 2016, or 2017 because they look newer. But the truth? The 2014 is better. It was the first year of a new generation. GM put its best engineers and materials into it because they had to impress. Following years, they cut corners. Slowly, quietly, most people don't notice, but the quality drops. The 2014 still has everything original on most trucks, and prices are starting to climb. I've seen it go up $4,000 in the last 8 months, and it's only accelerating. Everyone else ignores it. Meanwhile, the smart buyers scoop up every good 2014 they find. In a few years, there won't be any left. Number 3. 2003. 2004 Silverado HD. I'm talking 2,503, 1,500 models. This one hurts. Last year, you could grab these for $8. $1,000 today, $2,500. Next year, probably $35,000. Why farmers discovered them. When farmers find a good truck, they buy everything. One guy bought 7 units, drove 2. Stored 5. These are the last trucks that you can fix without computers. The last ones that just work. Collector clubs are even doing group buys, wiping out the market. I saw it happen in Texas last month. 11 trucks for sale in a 200-mile radius. Today, Number 2. 2019 Silverado LD. Legacy. Most people don't even know this existed. GM kept selling the old model while launching the new one. Few were sold because everyone wanted the new style that makes the LD. Rare as hell, but the LD has everything the new generation lost. More space, better ride, proven engine and transmission. Smart buyers are treating these like stocks. One guy bought 4, renting 3, and keeping 1 sealed. By 2029, he expects each to be worth double, and the sealed one over triple. Meanwhile, if you wait, you'll regret it. And number 1, the fastest disappearing, 2000 Silverado Z71. This is the truck of the 2000s. The one you saw in every movie. The one every family man drove. How many survived in good shape? Less than 2%. The rest rusted, crashed, or got destroyed. The few that survived, turning to gold. Original, under $150K. $2,000 3 years ago? $7,000. Last year, $1,200 people who grew up wanting this truck now have the money. They're paying anything for the right unit. I even know a dentist who sold a Porsche just to buy one. The window is closing now. When these buyers wake up fully, there won't be a single good one left. So that's it. 5 years disappearing. 5 opportunities you can grab now before it's too late. I don't sell trucks. I don't get a cut. I just see the market every day. Prices rising. Trucks disappearing. People hesitating and crying later. So what will it be? Will you act smart now? Or be the one in 3 years saying, I saw this and didn't believe it? Drop in the comments which of these you've seen vanish in your area, or which one you wish you could have grabbed when it was cheap. I read every comment. And if this opened your eyes, hit that like button. It helps the channel grow and keeps this information coming. Next week, I'll show the 5 Silverado years you should never touch, even if they seem cheap. These are traps you need to know about. See you then.